Yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our today's demonstration video. Yeah, we want to say about limitations of galvanized iron pipes. Yeah, today we are uninstalling a hand pump. Yeah, it was installed some time back, but we are replacing it with some pump you can see there. So we are going to motorize this well and do irrigation and also do water supply. Yeah, we want to see the limitations. So one of the limitations of galvanized iron pipes is rusting. Yeah, as you can see here, our water will have some color, that brown color, because of the rust. Yes, we were saying the limitation of galvanized iron pipes and rods. Yeah, this is called a connecting rod. It is also galvanized. Yeah, you can see the rust. So this one doesn't happen with stainless steel rods. So yeah, this issue affects the quality of water, and also after some time this rusting may be so high, and you have holes in your pipe, and you can no longer see water coming out from the well. And also the threads, yeah, they may also lose their strength because of rusting. Yeah, as you can see here, this thread is already off. Yes. Yeah, let's also listen from our colleague here about other advantages, about limitations or disadvantages of galvanized iron pipes. Yes, sebo osobola okutubuulirako ebizibu ebirala ebibeera ne pipe zino. Oh yeah, you can see the rusting is too much. So you can see the effect of galvanized iron pipes. You will have your water kutungununa. Yeah. That every morning the water will be smelling the rust. Yeah, we can see this bottom pipes, so it can lose its strength with the time. You can see it has already bent, because it goes on with losing its properties, which is not the case with stainless steel pipes. Yeah, this is called a cylinder. It is also galvanized iron, but there is also stainless steel cylinder that doesn't rust. You can see a lot of rust here. So this will reduce the quality of water, and yeah, we can see the rust here. So yeah, let's see an example here. This is called the plunger rod, but you can see this rust is on top from this pipe, but for it has not rusted because it is stainless steel. So if other pipes were like this, yeah, we wouldn't have this effect of rusting. Yes. Yeah, we have even a colleague here is saying we have a colleague here who has been using this water before we motorize. He says he's saying amazi gajjako olububi in the morning when he pumps water into a jerrycan in the morning. He will find some layer of iron on top, so that will have some health effect if we use that water for maybe preparing food, cooking it for drinking. You will have this element water. So constant using galvanized iron pipes like this member here, and this type that we saw here. Oh yeah, let's see it. If you keep other factors constant, especially the cost factor, we would recommend using stainless steel rods. These are rods, and stainless steel pipes and stainless steel cylinder, yeah, to avoid rusting and also having health problems because of water contamination with the iron. Yeah, thank you for watching.